Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating journey back in time to explore the Ice Age, a period that shaped our planet and its inhabitants in remarkable ways. Imagine a world where massive glaciers stretched across continents, where woolly mammoths roamed the frozen tundras, and where early humans faced the challenges of survival in an ever-changing environment. The Ice Age wasn't just a single event. It spanned millions of years, with several glacial and interglacial periods. During these times, the Earth's climate fluctuated dramatically, leading to the rise and fall of various species. It's incredible to think about how these changes influenced the evolution of life. For instance, the adaptation of animals like the saber-toothed cat and the giant ground sloth showcases nature's resilience and creativity. But it wasn't just the animals that were affected. Early humans had to adapt their lifestyles to survive. They developed tools, learned to hunt in groups, and created shelters to protect themselves from the harsh conditions. This period was crucial in shaping human culture and community, laying the groundwork for the societies we know today. As we reflect on the Ice Age, it's a reminder of the power of adaptation and resilience. Just as those ancient beings faced their challenges, we too can draw inspiration from their stories. Whether it's overcoming personal obstacles or navigating the complexities of modern life, we have the ability to adapt and thrive.